Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson V10 trigger is stuck, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to dirt or debris getting lodged in the mechanism or even wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to a complete failure of the trigger, making your vacuum unusable. Fortunately, this is a repair you can tackle yourself with a bit of guidance. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some lint-free cloths to keep the components clean. To start, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the battery pack by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the battery is removed, gently prise open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Take care not to damage the plastic clips holding the casing together. The trigger mechanism is located near the front of the device, and you will need to locate it by feeling for any obstructions. If you see any dirt or debris, use your tweezers to carefully extract it. If the trigger itself appears damaged, you will need to unscrew the small screw securing it in place. Be sure to apply gentle pressure and avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've accessed the trigger, carefully remove it and replace it with the new one. Make sure it's seated properly before reassembling the casing. After you've secured the trigger, it's time to put the casing back on. Align the clips and gently press down until you hear them snap back into place. Finally, reattach the battery pack and screw it back in securely. Now, turn your Dyson V10 back on and test the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to regularly clean the area around the trigger and ensure that no debris builds up over time. Keeping your device clean will help maintain its functionality and extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.